Hey, what's up? It's J2O, keeping real FOREX KING, back for a weekly FOREX forecast for the week of the 14th to the 19th. And like we always do, we go to forexfactor.com and check out the calendar. So right now, as you can see, Sunday, nothing too crazy going on. You got a bank holiday for the JPY pair, so don't expect too much volatility. Monday, you have high impact news during New York session for the USD pair. And then Tuesdays, the market really gonna pick up where there's a lot of news during New York session for the CAD and USD pairs. And then you get to Wednesday, where there's some high impact news during London session for GBP, but then mainly AUD during Asian session. And then Thursday, you have a bunch of news. You got some during London session affecting GBP, as well as during New York session affecting the Euro and USD. And then Friday at the end of the week, you have news for GBP during London and then the CAD to end the week for New York session. So that's pretty much what's going on this week. Definitely expect a lot of volatility, mainly come in on Tuesday. So let's look at some of the charts. So let's look at gold, for example. So this is a 4 hour chart for gold. Right now, gold last week, we ended off bullish. A lot of momentum. So this week on the higher time frames, I am going to see for potential sell opportunities around this zone area highlighted in blue. So if the market decides to create an engulfing pattern here or a candlestick reversal, I'm going to look for the sell to ride back down that could play for the week. But if it doesn't and we push higher, create new highs, then I'm going to continue to focus on buy opportunities. So it all depends what the market shows. And now let's look at Bitcoin. So those who trade Bitcoin, right now I'm looking for minor sell opportunities around the zone area off the 0.76 retracement zone. So right now, if I get stopped out, it's cool. I have my risk to reward ratio and I'm cool with this trade, but I am looking for a minor sell retracement down. And for GBP, JPY, let's see the higher time frames. So basically, this pair been very bullish, but obviously last week news impacted it where it shot down. So right now, I am going to look for potentially sell opportunities only because I see this big push to the downside. So right now, it's kind of a little tricky too because we did drop down heavy. So sometimes the market likes to, do retracements before it shoots back down, unless it creates a new high. But right now, I'm looking for sell opportunities as we speak. I'm gonna see how the week plays before I get into a trade. And for Euro AUD, this bear been kind of choppy lately, a lot of consolidation. So I'm not going to trade this yet. I'm gonna see whether we decide to do a breakout. Then I'll be focused on a retracement to get for buy opportunities, or we gonna come back to the downside. So right now I'm just waiting, just let the market play out because it's too choppy right now for that pair. And then Euro New Zealand, this is a little more clear. Right now, I am currently looking for buy opportunities right now. Seeing if it comes down for a minor retracement. If it does, that's cool. That means I'm gonna capitalize and take it to the upside. And those who trade GBPUSD, let's look at it at a higher time frame. So GBPUSD, a lot of momentum. There's a lot of strength against on the pound. So right now, still gonna look for buy opportunities, but I'm gonna get in during a retracement. So right now, just waiting for it to retrace down, and I'll get in back on the trade. Right now is very bullish right now. Same with AUD/USD, very bullish right now. Um, Hopefully it comes down for retracement. If it does, that's great. We're gonna look for buy opportunities. But if it doesn't, it's still okay. We'll just wait for it to retrace back down and we get back in for buy opportunities. And last but not least, let's look at US 30. So it's very bullish momentum. So focusing buys, trading the NAS as well as the US 30. Look for buy opportunities since we're very bullish on the higher time frames. As you can see on the daily, we've just been going up. So just focus on buy opportunities. And that's pretty much it. Just be cautious trading news, especially if you're scalping with big lots because of volatility. But other than that, you should be all right. Definitely trade what you see and not what you think. And you could like take advantage of the opportunities in the market.